Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make creamy strawberry bolis. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so first we're going to begin by pureeing 1 pound of strawberries. Of course, just make sure that you clean them real good and you remove the stem. Okay, so once we have our strawberries all nice and pureed, now we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream, along with half a cup of milk, 1 cup of crema mexicana, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, and 2 tablespoons of strawberry cornstarch. And now slowly we're going to blend everything together until everything is nice and incorporated. Okay, so once we have our delicious creamy strawberry mixture, now we are ready to form our popsicles. Okay, so I'm going to be using my popsicle bags. Of course, you can use your popsicle molds instead. And I got them off of Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. So now we're just going to fill them up. And I'm going to fill them up about 4 inches. So we're just going to twist it and tie a knot. Okay, so just like that. And now we're just going to repeat the same process to all of our popsicles. All right, so once we have our bolis, we're going to freeze them overnight or for at least 4 hours. Okay, so I already had some freezing overnight. So once we have them ready, now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you, these are so easy to make. They're fun to make with your little ones. This ones bring me so much memories when I was a little girl and my grandma used to make them and she used to sell them. Over there in Mexico, we call them trompos. Let me tell you that they were the best things. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy, and look how creamy they are. This is like fresas con crema. It's so good. So creamy, so flavorful, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious strawberry bolis. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.